Hey up, welcome back, welcome to the old Bingley Wheeler man cave. Let's have a look around. Coming along nicely. Yeah. And the natural look of this OSB board really appeals to me. This industrial, raw, elemental look, I think looks great. Few people have said get it painted. Not on your Nelly. I'm liking the look of that. Now my pal VFR Mitch Gazer has loaned me some very early schematics, official Norton schematics of parts of their bikes, so I'm going to find a way of getting them framed up and put on the walls here. So thanks for that, Gazer. Now then, I'll stop spinning round there. Don't worry, a lot of folks say, you're making me dizzy. Back it in, Wheeler. Right, so just want to talk about an excellent offer that will be open for 1 week only, from the 22nd to the 28th of May this month, and it's on the Aoocci TFTs. So those tiny proportion of people out there that are sick and tired of promotions on this channel, you know, the things that mean that there can be a channel, switch off, move on. This video is not for you. However, if you want now for a week 28% off the Aoocci C6 Pro, which is their largest and most popular motorcycle TFT, then you're going to want to follow the link in the description below and get 28% off with code TBW28, TBW28. But let's just have a quick reminder of what these TFTs do and why I think they're a right bargain. Right, let's just have a look at the one fitted to my Moto Guzzi V7 here. Now the unit fitting to this bike is the C9 Max, but the functionality is pretty much identical to the C6 Pro. So you'll be able to see basically what these units offer you at an absolute bargain basement price. Okay, let's have a look at this here Moto Guzzi with the Aoocci TFT setup. Right. Let's crack on. Now, first job is I'm going to have to fire the bike up because I have something fitted called a Heeltech Thunderbox, and that means that the power to the accessories only becomes live once the voltage is stabilised with the engine running. So we'll see that in a second, but I'll just fire her up. There we go, system boots up in short order. And there we go, that's the main screen. Okay, so what I have fitted is a video camera to the rear and a video camera to the front there. And after not too long, the system automatically connects via Bluetooth to your Apple iPhone or your Android phone. So this has Apple CarPlay, which you can see there, and Android Auto. And it gives you basically all the functionality that you have on your phone. So you have things like BBC Sounds, you've got your WhatsApp, you've got your telephony, text, your Apple Maps, Google Maps, Spotify. So anything that you can get on your phone, which is compatible, you can get on this screen here, and it connects rather seamlessly with the comms unit on your helmet. So if we take a look at the main screen, so the driving recorder, there you will see the rear facing video camera, which is constantly recording as indicated by that red dot there. You can stop it like so, but when you connect this unit, as soon as the bike fires up, as soon as power hits this unit, it will start recording front and rear. To switch to front view, there we go, front view to the left, rear view to the right, and you can cycle through the different orientations of front and rear camera. That's full front camera and that's full rear camera, half and half the other side, back to full display. Back to your home screen, and you'll also see that you've got tyre pressure monitoring here. So we have front tyre, rear tyre, can be in PSI or bar, and that's your connection to your phone. So yeah, well worth having this bit of kit. Right, let's turn that racket off. Right, so yeah, the Aoocci, hey, I'm still not sure, but excellent units. I've had them fitted to 3 out of my 4 bikes now for about 18 months, and they've been absolutely bob on. Really useful bit of kit. The rear camera, obviously very useful for backing out of tight spaces where your view is limited. Saves me having to crane my neck around, and it covers that blind spot that your mirrors don't cover. So absolutely excellent for that. And obviously the fact that the rear and the front of the camera is constantly recording is very useful in the event of any issues developing. Yeah, so bottom line is, for the next week, 22nd to the 28th, inclusive of May 2025, with code TBW28, you can get 28%. 28%, that's nearly a third off the Aoocci C6 Pro, which gives you all the functionality that I've just shown you on this here Motor Gutsy. So you're getting high definition video camera front, high definition video camera rear, constant recording as soon as you fire the bike up on both. You're getting Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, you're getting all the functionality that you get with the apps on your phone actually on the TFT itself. You get some GPS information, and you also get tyre pressure monitoring. What's not to like? Follow the link in the description below or in the pinned comment. Use code TBW28 and get yourself 28% off for the next week on this here brilliant kit. Highly recommended.